Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube video. In the last video you gave really a lot of support, so I'm really thankful to you. Sorry for not uploading the video in the last days or last few weeks because I am little busy because my pre-board is going and I have already done the two pre-boards and tomorrow is a pre-board of my computer. By time to time I will show you all the papers and by week to week, yesterday to yesterday, day before yesterday, I have done the maths paper really good, and in the next video I will show you the maths. Before that I will show you the English paper. So this is a pre-board term 1 pre-board class 10th exam. First we have attempted some of the questions like the unseen passage, and there is some instructions. 18 question attempt 14, in section B 12 question attempt any 10, and in literature 30 out of 26. There is one special thing, there is no negative marking. All questions carry equal marks. Means one question is equal 0.8 marks. Or we have to do in this. So first we have that the unseen passage will come. And this there are the some questions which I have done correct and some of the few questions which I have done wrong. 10 questions are there total. Second unseen passage, two unseen passage we have to do. In this the grammar section is starting. First is formal letter, which that there are the few questions which are comes from the formal letter behind to the MCQs form. This time is a new pattern, so that's why we have attempted the full of the paper with an MCQ form. 25th question, and there are the three more questions which are there related to the formal letter. There is a total 30 questions in the literature sections. I have attempted more than 26 because I have not so much time to complete the entire paper. So rest of the questions I think I have done wrong. This is a literature part. There are so many questions and only the 1.5 hour the school will give to complete the paper. So it's a really difficult to complete the entire paper behind before the 1.5 hours. It's really difficult. Actually the literature portion of the last thing which I have done really correct, but some of the questions which I show you which I have done wrong. Before that, this question which I have done wrong, this question also, and one question this, and rest of the questions I think I have done correct because yesterday which I have came back to home and I have checked already all the questions which are in the paper. So these are the entire paper which of the consists of the sections, and it is very easy paper from my side. I think so. Tomorrow is a computer paper, and this video I think will upload on Sunday. And now the time I will show computer paper on next Thursday or Saturday. So I think guys you like this video because I have shown all the English paper from my side. If you guys like the video, hit the like button and subscribe my YouTube channel. Meet in the next video, and that time bye.